even though it's me. You gotta feel me. When I feel good, just wanna be your girl.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I know I'm looking really crazy right now. My hair looking crazy, my kitchen looking crazy, but I'm about to get it together because I am going to Vegas this week, so I had to make sure that my hair was on point. And of course I have my hairstylist, Sade, in here doing her thing. She always does my makeup and my hair too, and she's really awesome at what she does. So if you're in the DFW area, please hit up my girl because she has very affordable prices and I got very beautiful hair for y'all to buy for y'all's install. So this is pretty much how my hair looks. She's already washed it. What kind of conditioner and shampoo did you use?
I used the Giovanni brand.
Okay, you guys, so she did use the Giovanni brand to go ahead and wash my hair. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, so she did use these products. Where did you get them from?
Your local beauty supply store.
The local beauty supply store, you could find both of these. But she did, like I said, wash and condition my hair, and then she just blow dried it out. My hair has been growing tremendously, and a lot of people have been asking me what have I been doing, you guys, and honestly, I have been doing nothing to my hair. It's really just been in braids or been in a ponytail under my wigs that I wear. But for this video today, I will be getting my wig sewed down. I do like to go ahead and glue down the front using the Bold Hold lace glue. And then Sade does go ahead and sew down the back. And that is the Bold Hold lace glue. I think you can order this online. And you can also get it at your local beauty supply store as well. They don't have it in a beauty supply? Lord, y'all, so there's some exclusive stuff. So you have to buy this bad boy online, okay? You have to buy this bad boy. Girl, I didn't even know. Whoa. All right, and that's pretty much it. And then, of course, I will be using a wig from my hairline, which is Southern Hair Society. This is a 22-inch Brazilian straight wig, and it's 150% density. It's really nice, really full. You guys are probably like, why does it look wavy if she said it was straight? But I actually washed it yesterday, and this is how the wig dries. So this is so beautiful, y'all. And all I pretty much had done to this wig is I had Sade dye it last month, and yeah, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna get this installed, and I'm gonna kind of let y'all see my journey. You ready?
Yep.
All right.
So what I'm gonna do is braid it down, then come back. So this is the braids that I did. Is just a quick braid because she is tender-headed, so it's like a medium to small kind of braids or medium-sized braids, and it won't look bulky underneath your wig. So I'm just gonna put some Jamaican black castor oil and some olive oil on her scalp.
I love Jamaican black castor oil. This is like the main oil that I use on my scalp since I've been natural. I've used this kind. Who is that made by right there?
This is by Ultimate Originals Therapy.
Ultimate Originals Therapy, and I've also used Hollywood Beauties. That's the first one that I pretty much used, but yeah, I just recently started using that one. And that's just an olive oil that she's putting on my scalp now. And I did get this from Miss A, where they have like a whole bunch of dollar products. So I do like to buy their little oils too as well.
Yes. And ladies, please oil your scalp before so that your hair can get some stimulation while it's underneath your braids, your wig. I'm gonna take some alcohol. Just taking some alcohol, just a little bit, cleaning all the makeup or stuff around her hairline, grease.
Girl, you might need to do it again, girl.
Peace.